Most 112-foot yachts seal you inside the deck house. The Benetti Oasis 34M opens to the water on every level, and that decision changes everything else. Built by Benetti in Viareggio, Italy, steel hull, aluminum superstructure, the Oasis line is the brand's social design class, drawn by RWD outside and Benetti Kazurski architecture inside. Power comes from twin MTU 10V 2000M 86 diesels, 2,760 horsepower combined. Top end, 16 knots. Cruise at 14 knots. 6,600 gallons of fuel. The hull is semi-displacement, efficient at displacement speed, capable when you want to push. 112 feet, 9 inches overall. 25 feet, 2 inches of beam. 6 feet, 8 inches of draft. 200 tons unladen. That draft opens up Bahamian cuts a deeper hull cannot reach. 3 signatures define the Oasis 34EM. First, the Oasis Deck. Fold down side terraces transform the stern into a private beach club, open to the water. Second, the main deck master suite, full beam, foredeck access, separation from guests. Third, the Sundeck, a full beam social platform with bar, dining, and lounge. 5 cabins, 10 guests, 4 heads, light-toned interiors with full beam glass throughout. The salon, galley, and master live on the main deck. 2 VIPs and 2 twins below. Bottom line, a 112-footer for owners who plan to cruise, not collect. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.